Hi, I'm going to continue the challenge of the daddy levels. Hi, and a warm welcome to one and all. And for those of you who haven't seen me before, my name is Langers, and I am the Scruffy Trader. No shock looking at me, I'm not exactly a style icon, am I? What I am trying to do is inspire you with your own trading and maybe teach you a trick or two along the way. So if that sounds good, please click the little subscribe button. It genuinely helps. And I'll show you what I'm looking at. Well, today I'm looking at the DAX, and normally I'll be clowning around and doing whatever, but today's quite an odd day and I need to concentrate quite a bit because the markets are very difficult to read at the minute because they are at quite high levels where they've never been before, and the DAX is certainly one of them up there. And for all we had the big drop last year that scared the living brains out of quite a lot of people because the market just plunged, it has recovered and kept on going. So there is good opportunities, but within those opportunities is choppy waters. Just because you haven't got any nice levels to work on, it's all going to be hypothetical. So this is where your daddy levels and things like that come into play. And a daddy level is basically just the high and lows of the day prior. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drop them in just so I can see what's going on. And that was the range of yesterday. That's what this is. And we're trading well above it at the moment. So I need to see if there's a way that I can find some levels to work to. Well, I can use this. Okay. And it's going to be hypothetical there, which is a 127 extension. And I'm going to put another one above it. There. These are just giving me guidelines, parameters if you like. But what I'm also going to do is that leg has not really completed. You can see it's moved up, pushed down, moved up, pushed down. So I'm going to be keeping a close eye on this, certainly over the next few days, because it's the only thing I have to work on. Right? So at the minute I can see it's trying to push up to that level and it's rejecting, and it's come down and it's resting here. So the extension isn't a million miles off. Let's drop it into a 4 hour, see what's going on. Well, across the 4 hour, as you can see, well, there you are, absolutely tagged it, came away, pushed down, came away. So if I'm looking at this and also looking at these retracements here, it's been on a royal buy up and it's only dropped once, then moved up. Well, there's normally a decent little bit of a pullback after a buy up, you know, even if it's 1, 2, then boom, boom. So this looks like it's primed to possibly go to the downside. All right. So let me have a little look at this and find out. So we're going to drill it into the hour. And there you are, you can kind of see it there. So it's reasonable to assume that it may try and revisit down here. But that's quite a ways to go. But there's a nice level just in here. So let me just draw in that level there. And why have I pinpointed that level there? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times it's been touched and the market's moving down. So have I got room to go from there to there? Well, that's 46 down to 23. So there's a good 20 pips into that tops of this. So yes, I do believe there is a way I can look at this. So let's have a look, see what's going on this side. Right, down to a 15. Well, there you are. You can see that even more clearly now. Pushed up, it's come back to it, smashed through. Where did it go? It stalled, came away, right the way through, stalled there 1, 2, 3 times. So yes, I believe there is an opportunity to go from there to there. Very simple. I'm going to use that as the trigger line, and we're going to use that as the target line. So drop an order in. There. So that's 16. So what we're going to do is, if I set that at 15, but I'm also going to drop a couple of orders in underneath it at 10. And then I'm going to put another one at 5. Just like so. All right, they're all in. Okay. And this is a chart just built up in front of you using hypothetical levels with no indicators at all. Just price action purely. Price action is probably your best friend, because yesterday I was showing the MACD and how you can use it as an entry point. Well, here what you've seen is basic levels of market structure, taking a bias from the top and an entry point using a fib extension. Very, very simple. And it's literally boom, straight in. There we go. There's the first one out straight away. Now what we can do, this is actually going to crash out pretty much straight away. Go on. Just a tad further. Go on. Oh, isn't that annoying when it gets that close and doesn't close it? It is absolutely super annoying. Oh, it's pulled away now. Okay. Oh, there we go. So live with that. Now all this has to do is just push ever just gently. Now that's done that bit, just move your stop into break even. So even if this reverses and stops me out, it doesn't matter because we've just been paid. And we've just been paid 5 and then a 10 pip in about 3 minutes. And it looks like it's going to hit the next one. There we go. Dead simple. Happy, happy days. So that was an absolute breakdown of the chart. And there you go. 150 quid in a minute and a half, if that, less than 60 seconds. I don't know. But that was just a very quick snapshot of how you can read the markets. Now, yes, I did know what I was looking for prior to coming on the camera, because I do my homework. I sit on a morning and I watch what the market is going to do, and then I just carry it on. And that level that I drew in was an easy target to hit. And yes, you can now say, well, it's slamming down, it's slamming down. But I don't know how far the market's going to go. I can only do best guess. And that's what trading is. It really is just that simple. So a very, very quick one today. I just kind of wanted to show you a trade as it is, as it happens, and how you don't actually need your indicators. You just need the candles and a little bit of thought. Simple as that, guys. And the ticket for today is there. All right. So I may drop another trade on a little bit this afternoon because I do like to hit around £200 a day. But I'm quite happy with that. Okay. So if you want to know more, there's some good links in the description below, and I answer every question that comes through. And happy days. Very, very quick one today. It's been a funny day, but hey ho. So as always, guys, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you on the next one.